Hey everyone, welcome back to Car Update 2025. Today, we're diving into something truly special, the Polestar 6. This is the all-electric roadster that's turning heads with its sleek design, cutting-edge technology, and high-performance specs. If you're into EVs, performance cars, or just love the future of driving, you're in for a treat. Polestar has been making waves in the electric vehicle world, and the Polestar 6 is no exception. This model takes inspiration from the Polestar O concept, delivering a convertible driving experience with sustainability and speed in mind. It features a hardtop roof, making it a perfect blend of a coupe and a roadster, and it's built on Polestar's aluminum-intensive platform for a lightweight yet strong structure. Let's talk about performance. The Polestar 6 is packing some serious power, a dual-motor setup that delivers 884 horsepower and 900 Nm of torque. That means this car is insanely fast, going from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 3.2 seconds. And if you're wondering about top speed, we're looking at over 155 miles per hour. That's right, this thing is a beast on the road. Now, what about the battery and range? The 800-volt architecture ensures super fast charging, meaning you can juice up quickly and get back on the road. While the official range hasn't been confirmed yet, expectations are around 300 miles per charge, making it practical for long drives as well as high-speed thrills. Technology is another area where the Polestar 6 stands out. Inside, you'll find a massive infotainment screen, Google integration, and advanced driver assist systems. Polestar is all about blending luxury with sustainability, so you'll also see vegan-friendly materials and recycled components in the interior. And, of course, the design is stunning, minimalist, futuristic, and unmistakably Polestar. Now, let's talk availability and price. This beauty is expected to hit the market in 2026, and the first 500 units will be a special LA Concept Edition, featuring an exclusive color and unique design elements. As for pricing, it's estimated to start around $200,000, making it a serious investment for those who want a high-performance, luxury EV roadster. So, what do you think about the Polestar 6? Would you pick this over a Tesla Roadster or a Porsche Taycan? Let us know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a future car update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.